Although most conversations about penis size tend to focus on the length of the member, in some cases it's the girth that is unusual. A thick penis may indeed be a long one, but it's also very possible for a medium or short penis to impress with its width. No matter the girth, a man needs to practice proper penis care in order to keep his manhood healthy, but there are a few special things to consider when one is the owner of an especially thick penis. What is a thick penis? There is no firm definition, but in general, a thick penis is considered a member that measures more than 5 inches or so in circumference when erect. As with length, it should be noted that girth can vary in a man. Just as the same penis may measure 5 inches long one day and 5.5 long the next, so can there be small differences in girth. Thick penis tips. There are a few areas in which a man with a wider penis size may need to take some special steps. These include finding a condom that fits. It's important for any man to use proper protection during partner sex, so identifying a condom that fits properly, secure yet not too snug, is crucial. Most men with a thick penis will need to use an XL size. Many of these men complain that it is too tight at the base. However, condoms are generally designed to fit more snugly at the base in order to stay securely in place. Keeping sex pleasurable for a partner. One of the most common complaints from thickly endowed men is that their members cause pain in their partners. In fact, most vaginas are capable of accommodating all but the absolute thickest of penises, so the issue is not usually that the vagina is too small but that insufficient steps have been taken to make intercourse pain-free. The most important thing that a couple can do to ensure pain-free sex with a girthy penis is to use plenty of lubricant. That means that both the penis and the vagina should be well lubed before insertion is attempted. In addition, adequate foreplay is definitely required. While every woman is different, a general rule of thumb is to spend at least 10 minutes on loving, arousing foreplay. Not only does this create more natural lubrication, it also encourages a process known as vaginal tenting. Foreplay causes a relaxation of muscular tension in the vaginal area. When foreplay continues for an appropriate length, this will cause the uterus to lift up, which in turn creates more space in the vagina to accommodate a thick penis. Finally, choose a position that is more comfortable for the partner. Some experimentation may be required, but many couples find either a woman on top or doggy-style position is best to allow more maneuverability when a thick penis is involved. Maintaining cleanliness. Sometimes a penis that is quite thick when erect is of normal girth when flaccid. This often results in the penis having folds of skin when soft. It can be easy for dirt or bacteria to hide in these folds. It's vital to clean within the folds when this is the case. No matter the penis size, whether a thick penis or a thin one, maintaining its health is made simpler via the daily use of a superior penis health creme. Health professionals recommend Man 1 Man Oil, which is clinically proven mild and safe for skin. Sex with an insufficiently prepared vagina is likely to create raw penis skin, so a creme with a combination of potent moisturizers, e.g., shea butte and vitamin E, is required. That rawness may also lead to a loss of penile sensation, so the creme needs to include acetyl L-carnitine as well. This neuroprotective ingredient helps protect delicate penis sensitivity, which can otherwise dampen sexual enjoyment. Article source: http://ezinarticles.com/9564727